Hi my dear friends, welcome to Sri Pragna tutorials. In this video we are going to learn another interesting topic, square of a number. Square of a number, how to do square of a number within fraction of seconds. So now we know the squares up to 9, that is 1 square is nothing but 1, 2 square is nothing but 4, 3 square is nothing but 9, 4 square is nothing but 16, 5 square is nothing but 25, 6 square is nothing but 36, 7 square is nothing but 49, 8 square is nothing but 64, 9 square is nothing but 81, and 10 square is nothing but 100. So most of the children will remember the squares up to 10. But if you want to write the squares more than 10, now in this video we are going to learn square of any number in easy manner. For example, if you want to write 13 square, we know that 13 square is nothing but 13 into 13. In the first part of the answer, add one's digit to 13. This will give you the first part of the answer. So this is the one's digit. Okay. In the second part, square of the one's digit. If you square, 3 square become 9. 3 square become 9. Now we will write the final answer. Just you see, 9, 13 plus 3, 16, 169. 13 square is nothing but 169. So just once again you see here, it contains two parts. In the first part of the answer, add 3 to 13. 3 to 13. It will give you 16. 3 square is nothing but 9. 3 square is nothing but 9. Adding and squaring, and finally we will write the answer. Now 14 square is nothing but 14 into 14 two times. 14 into 14 two times. In the first part, add 14 to 4. 14 to 4. 14 plus 4. This is the first part. In the second part, 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16. So now we will write the final answer. 16 is a two-digit number. Write 6 first. Add 1 here. So we should carry forward that 1 to the next part. So now 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 196. 196. This is the way we can do it in a simple manner. Now we will use this trick and we are going to write squares from 11 to 90. So 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square, 15 square. So first we will write 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 11 square means 11 plus 1 and 1 square. 1 square is again 1. Now you see 1, 11 plus 1 is nothing but 12. 121. 12 plus 2 and 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. 12 plus 2, how much? 14. 4. So 144. So 13 square. 13 plus 3 and 3 square. 13 plus 3 will give you 16. 3 square is 9. 14 plus 4 and 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16. 4 square is nothing but 16. So 16 is a two-digit number. So send forward this ones to next part. So first you write 16. 1 is carry forward. So this is 18. 18 plus 1 become 19. 15 square. 15 plus 5. It is the first part. 5 square is nothing but 25. 25. So it is also 2-digit number. 5 here. 2 will goes to next part. 15 plus 5, it is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 225. This is the answer. This is the way we can write square of a number very easily. Square of a number very easily. Now we will see 16, 17, 18, 19 also. 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, 19 square. So 16 square is nothing but 16 plus 6. This is the first part. 6 square is nothing but 36. So now with the help of this, we will complete the answer. 6, 3 goes to first part. 16 plus 6 become 22. 22 plus 3, 25. So 17 plus 7. This is the first part. 7 square is nothing but 49. 49 means 9 here. 9 here. This is 17 plus 7. 24. 24 plus 4 we should add. It become 28. 28. 18 square. 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8. Next 18 plus 8. Next 8 square is 64. So first write 4. 18 plus 8. How much it is? 26. 26 plus 6. 32. 32. Next 19. 19 plus 9. 9 square is nothing but 81. In the first part, write 1. 8 will be carry forward. 19 plus 9, how much? 28. 28 again plus 8 is nothing but 36. 361. This is the way we can write squares from 11 to 19 in very simple and easy manner. So next we will see how to write squares from 21 to 30. 21 to 30. For example, we know that 20 square is nothing but 400. 20 into 22 times, that will give you 400. So how to write 21 square? 21 square. So same method we can apply here also. Same method we can apply it. 21 plus 1. This is the first part of the answer. 1 square. See, 21 square is nothing but 21 into 21. In the first part, we should add 1's digit, that is 1 to 21. Okay. Next part, 1 square. Just like the previous case. Now you see, we will write the answer. 1 square is nothing but 1. 21 plus 1 is nothing but 22. 22. So here what we do, you multiply this 22 with 2 or double this. Double this. It become 44 and 1. 441. 441. Why? Because why we are multiplying with 2 means 20 means 10 into 2. 10 into 10 2 times is nothing but 20. That's why you should multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. The first part has to be multiplied with 2 or double the first part. Double the first part and write the answer. Again, one more question. 22 square. The first part, what we will do generally, 22 plus 2 In the second part, 2 square we will write 2 square. 22 plus 2 is nothing but how much? 24. 24. And 2 square become 4. 2 square become 4. Now double this. Double this or multiply with 2. Both are same. So if you double it, it becomes 48. So 4 is there, write that 4. 484. 484. Similarly, 23 square. 23 plus 3 and 3 square. This become 26. And this is 3 square is 9. If you double it or multiply with 2, how much it is? 26 double. 20 plus 20 is 40. 6 plus 6 is 12. 52. So 529. 529. Very simple. Very simple method it is. So next, 24 square is nothing but 24 plus 4 and 4 square is nothing but 16. This is 28 first. If you add 24 plus 4, it becomes 28. And this is 16. We should double this. So 20 plus 20 is nothing but 40. 8 double is 16. 40 plus 16, 56. And this is 16 is there. So 6 here, 1 carry, 56 plus 1, 57. 576. 576. Next question. For example, if you want to do 29 by 29. First part contains 29 plus 9. In the second part contains 9 square is 81. So 9 square is 81. If you add these two, what you will get? 38. 38. This is 81. So now we double it. Double this number. 38 if you double, 30 plus 30, it is 60. 8 plus 8, 60. 60 plus 16, how much? 76. And 81 is there. Now, so 81 is a double digit. So we should carry forward 8 to its first part. So after adding this, we will get 84. 841 is the final answer. 841 is the final answer. 841. So this is the way we can write square of any number. For example, if you want to write 32 square, 32. Same method we will apply. Same method. 32 square is nothing but 32 plus 2. This is the first part. Second part is nothing but 2 square. That become 4. 32 plus 2 is nothing but 34. And this is 4. Multiply this with 3. So from 20 to 29 we multiplied with 2. From 30 to 39 we have to multiply with 3. Why? Because 30 means 10 threes are. 10 threes are is nothing but 30. 10 3 times is nothing but 30. That's why we are multiplying with 3. For example, if you want to square from 40 to 49, 40 to 49, we should multiply with 4. 50 to 59, we should multiply the first part with 5. 60 to 69, we should multiply the first part with 6. 70 to 79, we should multiply the first part with 7. So that is the technique involved in it. Okay. So now, if you triple this number, so this becomes 12. So 9 plus 1, 10. 102. So 1024. 34 if you multiply with the 3, 3 fours are 12, 1 carry, 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10. So 1024 is the final answer. Now you understood how to write squares of a 2-digit number. So one more interesting, now we will see squares from 101 square to 109 square. How to write very simply. So now you see, first part 101 plus 1. Second part 1 square. 1 square is nothing but you write 0 1. Why? Because 100 contains 2 zeros in it. That's why 2 places. So now final answer is 102. 101 plus 1. 102. This is 0 1. Now you see this. 102 plus 2. 2 square become 4. 2 square become 4. That is 0 4. So 104, 0 4 is the final answer. 103 plus 3. 3 square is nothing but 9. 0 9. 106, 0 9 is the final answer. So next step. 104 plus 4. 4 square is nothing but 16. So 108, 16 is the final answer. So 105 plus 5 and 5 square become 25. So this is 110, 25. So this is the way we can write a square of a number from 101 to 109 in very easy manner. So first 30 squares are most important. So 1 to 30 squares are most important. This will help you to do calculations faster. So practice how to write 1 to 30 squares in very easy manner. So use this method. We can write 1 to 30 squares in very easy and simple manner. Practice these questions for your understanding. So if you have any doubt, once go through the video, check again and come back and do.